Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. Today we'll cover how to hide the recycle bin in Windows 11. Now if you simply want to hide all icons from the desktop to view your wallpaper, you can simply right click, view, then uncheck show desktop icons. But to hide the recycle bin, simply go to settings. From here, click on Personalize, Themes, then click on Desktop Icon Settings. There is another shortcut to access this tab. Simply right-click on the Start menu, select Run, then use this command, then click on OK. From here, you can uncheck Recycle Bin and hide it from the Start menu. You can also check and enable any of the extra options, then click on Apply. You can also change icon. You can select one of the icons available here, or you can upload a custom icon from your computer. Now to restore the default icon, you can simply click on Restore Default, then click on Apply. And that was simply how to hide the recycle bin in Windows 11. Now if you want to hide any of your files or folders, or if you want to password protect any of your files, I previously made a video about how to hide and encrypt files in Windows. The link for that video will be in the description. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Until next time, bye.